Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to promote the Infinity Processing System. Now, if you don't know what the Infinity Processing System is, you need to watch more of my channel, watch the videos and stuff. But I'll give you a quick overview. It is a system that teaches how to promote products online using all of the major platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Craigslist, all that good stuff. It teaches you how to promote. And once you're a member of IPS, you're actually able to promote the system and earn $50, $150, or $300 commissions. All right, $300 commissions, right? So super cool platform, super cool opportunity. But right, people ask, they're like, well, that's cool, you know, I get it, but like, how do I promote it? Like, I want to get in, you know what I'm saying? I like that. I want to earn $50 commissions and $300 commissions, but I don't know how to promote. What do I do? Right? So here's the thing. I'll be honest with you. You should promote Infinity Processing System the best way you know how. Now, I know you might be thinking, like, what? What kind of answer is that, man? You ain't dropping no knowledge. Yes, I am. I'm going to tell you why. Because once you are a member of IPS, like I just said, it teaches you, right, how to promote on all of the major platforms online. The only thing it doesn't really cover in the system, if I'm being honest, is how to do like offline marketing. But a lot of people, they want to do online marketing. So what I mean by is, when I say you want to promote the best way you want to or how you want to, is because out of all of the training in IPS, they go deep in how to market on YouTube, how to promote on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. All of these platforms are different. All of these platforms got different methods. Generally, they're the same ideas. Get eyeballs to your product, right? Get eyeballs to IPS, right? But they all got different little, you know, styles and how you should promote them, right? And I'm sure if you're watching this video, one or two platforms, one or two methods of marketing is gonna resonate with you, right? Something like, it might be Facebook posting. They teach you how to do that in IPS. They give you the post that you need to post. They give you the groups to post in, right? That might be your thing. You might be like, man, I'm on Facebook all the time. I could do that all day, right? Some people, I'm not huge on Facebook. Some people might be like, TikTok. That's my thing right there, TikTok, right? So it teaches you how to use TikTok, right? And if you're not a TikTok person, you might even be like me and YouTube. You can create YouTube videos, not only talking about Infinity Processing System, but you could talk about other things and then refer people back to IPS. All right. So another thing that I see people don't talk about when promoting products that have a general audience, right? Because make money online is like a, you know, I would say 8 out of 10 people wouldn't mind making extra money online or even a full income from the internet, right? So the cool thing about not only IPS, but a lot of these make money online courses, you can promote them pretty much in any niche. So what I mean by, say you got a cooking channel on YouTube, you can actually do your recipes, do your cooking or whatever, and then, hey, somewhere in your video, you can say, hey guys, by the way, if you're looking for a way to earn some extra money, you might want to check out, you know, this system that I've been using or the system that I got or whatever, right? You can have a sports channel, a fitness channel, right? I might promote IPS on my fitness channel. I ain't think about that. All right. So anyway, so how to promote IPS is whatever you feel comfortable doing and whatever you feel that you're going to stick with. Because if you get a course and, you know, they teach you a method and it's a method that you're not going to do or that you hate doing, then you're not going to be successful. And that's why I like Infinity Processing System, because they give you so many options to learn how to promote the system. And not only IPS you could promote, but you could promote any program. The information is not just for IPS, it's for whatever product you got, right? So guys, it's that simple, right? You got a program, you got something that you're selling, something you can make money off of. You got to promote it. You got to. It's just, but you got to find the thing that, like I said, resonates with you the most, that you're going to stick with and that you enjoy doing. All right. And that's the cool thing about IPS, because it teaches you inside the course everything you need when it comes to promoting. Just pick one or two methods to start with and go hard. End of story. I'm done rambling. All right, I'm done. So if you want to check out IPS, you want to join my team, the link is in the description. You can come in at a $50, $150, and $300 level. Now a lot of people are like, whoa. What do you mean levels, man? Well, this ain't no MLM now. Hold up. No, it's not. The $50 level gets you access to a certain amount of training, which is good. The $150 level will let you come in and get you more training than you would get at the $50. The $300 level is where I'm at, right? $300 level gets you all access training. You get all of the training, and that will allow you to earn the max amount of commission, which is $300. Right? So keep that in mind. All right. So yeah, it's that simple. It's not MLM, anything like that. If you want to come in at the $50 level, just come in, pay $50, boom, you in, and you can start promoting the system and earning $50 commissions, and so on and so on. All right. So if you got any questions, leave them below. If you do decide to join my team, as soon as I see that you join, I will connect with you. I will get on the phone with you, a Zoom call with you, and I will give you all the information I got to help you succeed with this program. All right. Be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.